Hey friends, I'm super excited to draw some tulips with you today. I'm going to start with black to make all of my outlines, and then I'm going to fill it in with color. You do not have to do this. You can use whatever colors you want to, but I like the way the black makes my colors pop. There we go. Alrighty, so the first thing I'm going to do is draw a curvy-ish zigzag line. This is going to be for my grass. Now remember, you do not have to use black. I just like the way it will look later on. So now I'm gonna go right into my tulips, and then I'm gonna color everything in later. I'm gonna make a bunch of tulips all around here, but I'm only gonna make the top of the tulip. Here we go. You're gonna draw a U shape, stop, and then zigzag, zigzag, zigzag across. How about we do another one down here? Ooh. Zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. Very good. Sometimes they'll reach, sometimes they won't. It's all good. And should we have a half one over here? Nah, I agree. Before I go on, I want to give all of these a little face. So I'm thinking of this one, I'm thinking of me. I'm going to make a little self-portrait tulip. So this one is going to be wearing glasses to show that it's me. And of course, you know, I always have a big smile. There we go. Could I add anything else? Some eyebrows, maybe? Sure. Could I add hair? No, I'm not gonna add hair today. This one I think is gonna be looking up. So I'm gonna draw one circle, one oval and a little circle slanted upwards so it looks like my friend is going, what you doing up there? And this one, maybe they'll look down. So say, hey bud, maybe they're missing a tooth. This one's saying, hey. Now I wanna fill that in just a bit. Go. Over here, maybe this one is really sleepy. A nice restful tulip. Forgot my eyebrows. Over here, I'm gonna have just resting, hanging out, chilling in the back. And how about, what should I put here? How about a cyclops? Yeah, I dig it. Alrighty. We can put away our black marker. And you can start coloring in your tulips. Now you have a couple of choices here. You can just outline them like this if you want, or you can color the whole thing in. It's totally up to you. Time for the stems. Here we go. Go down. And don't forget, leaves at the bottom. Color these in with a different green shade. think I want to add a little bit of arms, and I'm gonna color in here. But I just want to see what it looks like. What if I add one layer of black? Ooh. So I'm echoing the line that I did just to give it a little contrast. Again, I love contrast. Isn't that kind of cool how it all pops? And I'm not trying to trace my lines exactly. Sometimes it's fun if there's a little irregularity, which means not all the same. Again, I'm doing this a bit out of order. You can do it any order you want. Now, should we add some arms? I think so. So, they're gonna be waving hello. And maybe both hands up. Oh, they're so excited to see you. This one's just sort of hanging out. Jazz hands. This one's gonna be calm. Maybe give it a thumbs up. How's that? This one will be sitting quietly, hands together. How's that? Lovely. This one, I think, just chilling. And this one, 2 thumbs up. How's that? Pretty good. Now, the final area I want to do is my grass down here. When I color in with markers, I like to do a stroke, stroke, stroke kind of fashion. You don't want to rush with your markers because they will get scratchy and dry out much sooner. You want to be gentle. Now the other trick I want to show you is, see, it's pretty dark already, but if I wanted to make this look even darker, wait a moment for it to like dry just a bit, and then you're gonna trace over the same marks you made, maybe every other or once every couple times. Look at the difference. See how that makes a big difference? I think that's pretty cool. And I'm not following any pattern. Just make sure to let that marker breathe on a break when it needs to. Now, if you want to go back and add more, you totally can. What if I wanted to add a little line down the center of my leaves? Totally fine. If you don't want to, don't. Maybe I want a really thick stem for a couple of them. Maybe I only want 2. What do you think? Pretty cool. I think this one's close. They should get a bigger one. She's sleeping, and him too. Here we go. So a little variation. That's kind of nice. Now again, feel free to color in those faces any which way you like, the whole way or just outline them like mine. If you want to color the background, I suggest using crayons, something that will be a little lighter. That way your marker will really pop off the page. That's all I got for you for now. Enjoy your little tulip town.